If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions on limits. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 8 to question number 14. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Now if you come to question number 8, you have to prove this. So if I go for LHS only, that means this side, so forget about this side. So how to take care of E? You need a minus 1. So there is already 2 is given. So for 1 E I will take 1 minus 1. For 1 E I will take 1 minus 1. Minus 1, then e to the power qx also minus 1 divided by x. So limit has a free pass. So you can split this limit e to the power px by x plus limit x tends to 0 e to the power qx minus 1 divided by x. So now you can see, because x tends to 0, so px is also tends to 0. So you write this extra line because that will make you, that will be the proper way. Don't directly put values there. So make it a habit. For JEE it is not required. For board and school exam you try to write it in this way. So to the power px minus 1 e to the power. So now it becomes a formula. It is what? Log E, that is. So because it is p to the power x, you need only one more p here. So you multiply by p. Because you are q, so you multiply it by c. So it is 1 into p, the first one, and second one, this is 1 into q. So your answer is p plus q. That is your RHS. Again, if you put e to the 0, so e to the power 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Again, log 1 is 0. So it is again undefined. So again, what is the formula for log? Log, the formula is 1 plus x divided by x. So to take care of this log, you need to divide it by x. And to take care of e also, where is e? E, you need 1 by x. So 1x you need for this one also, for this one also. So you divide both by 1x. So you can write it in this way, e to the power sin x minus 1 divided by x multiplied by 1 by log 1 plus 3x divided by x. So you can now think of these x and these x get cancelled. Now you think, what was the formula? E to the power x minus 1 divided by x should be equal to 0. Now if x tends to 0, then your sin x is also tends to 0. Think, if you put x equal to 0, then sin, what will happen? Sin 0, sin will also go to sin 0. Sin 0 is always 0. So it is 8. If you approach to 0, if you go very near to 0, your answer will be very near to 0. So instead of writing why I am doing so, because it is sin x, so I will write it limit sin x tends to 0, e to the power sin x minus 1 divided by, I will put a sin x here, because I put in a sin x there, so I will put one more sin x there. And here the formula was log 1 plus x, so I will take that limit out, and then 3x tends to 0. Here also you can write, if x tends to 0, then 3x is also tends to 0. If your x is going to 0, then 3 into 0 will also be 0. So 3x is also 0, so to the power 3x divided by 3x multiply by 3. So now you see, this will become a formula. What is the formula? 1. But this limit will not vanish, because there is a problem still limits. So because you can think, I have again limit has given 1 pass. So this sin x will go up and this x is diminished. So this will be also a formula. And this one is also 1. So it is 1 by 3. This formula, log 1 plus x by x. So this is also 1 now. So 1 into 1 into 1 by 3. So this is your answer. Now if you come to question number 10th, again this root, square root. So how to take care of this one? You rationalize it, multiply it by conjugate part, that is plus 1. For this square root type or irrational type questions, you always you always rationalize it. This is your first job. Whether it is in denominator or numerator, don't see, just rationalize it. You can try also. If you put 0, you will see it will be 0 by 0 format. So it will be a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square, by denominator it will be as it is. So this 1 get cancelled, and here it will be 2ax divided by x into this thing. So this x you can cancel. So you can put now x equal to 0, there will be no problem. Then root 1 plus 0 plus root 1 minus 0. So 2 by 1 plus 1, 2. 2a by, so answer is a. Now this one, question number 11, this one I have explained you to go for the shortcut, that 1 to the power infinity. But here you cannot use, because that shortcut is for JEE. For so board or school exam, if you do, they will directly cancel it out. They will give you 0 marks. So what you do, you take, let y is equal to this. So you take log both side. So log y is equal to, so it will be, because log this power comes just before this one, so 3 by x log 1 plus 3x. Again, you note to take care of this log in limit, so log y is equal to limit x tends to 0, or let me write 3x tends to 0. If x goes to 0, then 3, because 3x will be required. You can write it in the here also. If x is tends to 0, then 3x tends to 0. So 3 by 3 into, in fact you can write it, I am writing in terms of formula, log 1 plus 3x divided by 3x, so into 3, because it was only x, so I make it 3x, so I have given 1 3x, and this, due to this 3x, I am making this limit also 3x. So this now becomes a formula. So this is 1, so 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 1, that is 9. But 9 is not answer, because y is the answer, not log y. So what will be y? E to the power 9. Because for removing that log, you take both sides on the base of e. So e to the power log will cancel out, y will be there, and e to the power 9. Now if you come to 12, the function is defined by this. Fx equal to this. You have to find at 0 minus and 0 plus limit. State where the limit. So for 0 minus which branch? Because this function is known as piecewise defined function. This is because this is not a this is not simple this function. This function has broken into pieces. For less than 0, it will take this part. For greater than 0, it will take this part. So this type of function we always defined it as a piecewise defined function. So here you have to think, if it is 0 minus, if it is less than 0, 0 minus means in the left hand side of 0, slightly lesser than 0. So if it is lesser than 0, then this branch will come, fx will take this one. If it is 0 plus, then fx will take this branch. So from that you have to do left and right hand derivative. So if I am doing limit x tends to 0 minus fx, so what branch, instead of fx what I will write, because it is 0 minus, so what is the function that will take the value, which branch of the function will come into the picture if it is less than 0? The first one, 2 minus 3x, because it is less than 0. So it is 2 minus 3x. It is very close to 0, so you can put 0 here, but the idea is it is 1.99999, so that's why it is coming in this branch. So 2 minus 3 into 0, so it is 2, and limit x tends to 0 plus fx. So for 0 plus, which branch will come? Limit x tends to 0 plus, it will go to this branch, 3x minus 2. So again, if you take 0 plus means 0.00001, so that means you can write it 3.00001. So that is minus 2, which is 1.0001, that is nearly 1. So that is the idea. So these two are not equal. So this is actually left hand limit, this is actually right hand limit. So LHL is not equal to RHL, limit does not exist. So that is your answer. If you come to 13, now you have seen to take care of this sign E, so you need a 1 minus 1, that is okay. So the formula was e to the power x minus 1 divided by x. So here it is sin x, so you need a sin x here. So for that what I will do, limit x tends to 0, e to the power sin x minus 1 divided by sin x, and this is x by sin x. So this way I will give it. And I know if x goes to 0, I have seen one thing in previous question, my sin x will also go to 0. Because if you are going very close to 0, you are putting 0.00001, so sin 0.00001 will give you 0.00001, which is 0 actually, very close to 0. That is the idea. So the idea is it will go to very near to 0 if your x goes to 0. So this becomes a formula, because what was the formula? E to the power x minus 1 divided by x, x goes to 0. So same idea, sin x goes to 0, e to the power sin x minus 1 by sin x. X is replaced by sin x. And this is also sin x by x. And here also you can write one limit, because limit has a free pass. So one limit for this, one limit for this. So this is 1, this is also 1. So answer is 1. So here it is given limit x tends to this one. So before proceeding, you put x equal to 2, see whether there is any problem or not. 2 2s are 4, 6 plus 4, 10 minus 10, 0. 2 cube, 8 plus 2, 10 minus 10, 0. So it is 0 by 0 format, you cannot go. But if you are putting 2 and this is becoming 0, this is also, that means x minus 2 is a factor from class 9, 10 factor theorem. So the upper one is easy to factorize, the lower one is also can be factorized by using 0 method or factor method. Or if you forget that one, if you factorize this one, let me write it one step for you. You can directly write also. So it is x minus 2 into x minus 3. And because x minus 2 is a factor of this one and you don't know how to factorize this one, so you divide this one. Because this is a factor, you know this is a factor, so if you divide it by this one, it will be properly divisible. So if it will be x square, x cube, and those who know, you can directly factorize it. I am showing. Suppose you don't know, for that I am showing. So this into this is this one. So if you divide by, so you can write this one, x minus 2 into and you can show it in the rough, there is no issue. So this one, so x minus 2 into x square plus 2x minus 1. So these get cancelled because x is not equal to, now you can put x equal to 2. So in the denominator it will be 2 minus 3, in the numerator it will be 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 1. So it is minus 1, then 4 plus 4, 8, minus 1, 7. So that is your answer. If you liked the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.